Hello everyone. Today is 12 August 2021. My name is Rameshwar Narayan Balerao and today's our topic is inheritance. In inheritance, we discuss the definition of inheritance, why we use inheritance, type of inheritance, and real-time example and programming example of inheritance. Firstly, we discuss the what is the inheritance. Inheritance is Java is mechanic. Inheritance in Java is a mechanism in which one object are acquire all properties and behaviors of parent object. It is important parts of oops means the inheritance is the one of the most fundamental pillar of the oops. The idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you can create the new class uh, new class that are built in existing class means the we create a one class um, we create a one class build and build the their property and acquire their properties and fields, and we also add the another property and fields itself of this class. uh, Next is why is inheritance why we use inheritance in Java. There are mainly two uh, two reason to use the inheritance. First is the code reusability, and second is the method overloading. Method overloading is runtime polymorphism is occur, or runtime polymorphism is achieved, and second is the code reusability. We discussed the code reusability in real time example. The terms used in inheritance. Which term is used in inheritance? First is four terms used in inheritance. First is a class in a class. A class is a group of object which have the variables and fields from the object are created. Next is a subclass. Subclass is a class. Subclass is a class which class is inherit to another class. Inherit to super class or another class is called as a subclass. Subclass means the extended class, and subclass is also called as a child class. Next is a superclass. Superclass or parent class. Superclass means the class which which inherit the inherit through the subclass, or the class acquire all properties through the class acquire all property through the subclass, or the class extended through the subclass is called as a superclass. Superclass is also called as a base class. uh, Next is a reusability. Reusability is the name specified. Reusability is used to code code the reuse the code. Means the we create a one class and extended another superclass. Means the subclass acquire all properties and fields in subclass, and these properties and fields are used in subclass, and there are the these superclass field and properties are reused using the um, extending through the another class. Okay, then next we discuss the syntax of the inheritance. Syntax is inheritance is a class subclass name, extend keyword, and superclass name. Then extend keyword is used to extend the class. Means the meaning of the extend is increase the functionality. Then we discuss the one example. Means the one we create two class in a class A and class B. In class A, variable A equal to 10, and in class B variable B equal to 20, and class B extend the class A. Means the and in main method we create the object of the B class B, and then call the print the both variable A and B. Means the we acquire class B acquire all properties and fields of class A because of we extended this class, and we print the variable A using creating the object of a class B. Means the all this is the proof of the this is the proof of all the properties and fields of the class A are acquired in class B. Then we discuss the example of the inheritance. Types of the inheritance. There are mainly 5 types of inheritance: single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, fourth is a multiple inheritance, and fifth is a hybrid inheritance. Firstly, we discuss the single inheritance. Single inheritance means we create the two class A and class B, and class A extend to the class B. Means the single inheritance. Means the class A is the subclass, and class B is the parent class. Means the class A extend all properties of the class B or superclass. Next is a multi-level inheritance. In the multi-level inheritance, we create a multiple class. Means we create a 4 class: class A, class B, class 3, and class A, class B, class C, and class D. And class A extend class B, class B extend class C, and class C extend the class C. Means the all property of the class D in all properties of the class D are acquired the class C, and all properties of the class C and class D acquire the class B. Means the because the class C already acquired all the properties of the class D, and class B all properties acquire the class C, and class A acquire all those 3 class the properties. This is the multi-level inheritance. Means the class A is the subclass, and class B, class C, and class D is the superclass. Then next is a hierarchical inheritance. In hierarchical inheritance is the we create the 3 class: class A, class B, and class C. Class B and class C. Class A, class B, and class C. class A and class B, both class are extended to the class C. Means the class C properties of the class C are all properties of the class C are acquired class A, also the class B. Means the class A and class B is the child class, and class C is the parent class. Then next is multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance is not used in or not support the Java, because of the class in multiple inheritance. One class extend to the two class. This is not possible in Java. Thank you.